This is the story of a young girl who flew with the birds. On an island far away in the big blue ocean, a young girl named Shangi was born. Now, Shangi was born deaf and mute, which means she couldn't hear and she couldn't speak. Now, no one in the village would like to teach Shangi how to dance all the dances that the young girls in the village would perform. They would bully her and they would say something like, "Oh, look at Shangi. She cannot dance the marching dance." Or, "Oh, poor Shangi. She cannot do the line dance." Or the coconut dance. Or do the banana dance like everybody else would do the banana dance together. This made Shangi very, very sad. So often she would go off on her own while all the girls are dancing. She would go to the beach or go to the forest and try to emulate the other dancers. But she was always very sad that she couldn't dance with everyone else. Until one day, she came across some birds, some shorebirds on the beach. And the shorebirds looked at her and said, "What is your name?" And she looked up and she couldn't believe it, that she could actually hear a voice. And once again the bird said, "Yes, you, what is your name?" And she goes, "My name is Shangi." And the bird goes, "Why are you so sad?" And Shangi goes, "Well, I want to dance with the other girls in the village, but no one's want to teach me. No one want to teach me how to dance." So the bird goes, "We dance too." And Shangi goes, "Really? You dance?" And the birds go, "Of course we dance. Do you want to see our dance?" Yeah. So the birds would get into their formation and they would dance this beautiful dance where each and every one of them would jump in the air, unfurl their wings, and open it to the sky and ride on the wind. And they would just fly up and down, so gracefully. And Shangi goes, "I really like that dance." And the birds go, "Well, we can teach you." But Shangi goes, "But just like the other dance, I don't know how, because I don't know if I have what it takes." And the birds goes, "Don't worry, we'll give you the feathers." So they gave her feathers. One by one, the birds would put some feathers on her, until she was all covered with feathers like the little birds. And all the little birds were so happy when they see her. And they started dancing up and down, unfurling their wings in the sky and riding the wind. And while they were dancing and happy and making all of this happy noise, everybody in the village was wondering, where is that beautiful happy sound coming from? And everybody came down to the beach, and there was Shangi in the middle of all of these birds, and they were dancing and they were so happy. And everybody was, "Oh my goodness, look at that." And Shangi says, "Would you guys like to join us? Can we dance together?" And the birds go, "Yes. Would you guys like to join us?" And all the girls goes, "Oh yeah. But how can we dance together when we don't know your dance?" And Shangi goes, "You know what? Why don't we just dance our dances together. You guys will dance your dance, and we will join you with our dance, and maybe we can make a new dance together. Wow! The girls go, yeah, let's do the banana dance where we would circle everyone and you guys will do your bird dance. And everybody was dancing and everybody was so happy. And that's the story of the young girl Shangi, who was deaf and mute, but she flew with the birds.